whenever you're ready, boss. Alright.
Up in here. You're a mess of it. I have this cabinet finished the last time, but I've made this here. Vivian was up with me for a long time to get this made. So I have it made, that's it there. So basically all this is it's just a handy wee box. If you want to take them out, you can take them up. Okay, they're tight fit and all, and there's a wee cable head on the top there. Fire your bits and pieces in.
Cut. Okay, go on ahead.
And if you want to put her back, just slip her back.
Whose idea was that?
That's my idea.
Fucking wasn't. No fucking way. You did not do that.
So as you can see, we still have the Christmas clothes on. Maybe I reckon to match the van. Don't take them off.
Fucking 30 degrees outside.
So we'll have there's a control panel up here. So if I want to put on the fridge or anything, I'll just you'd hear starting up there.
Oh, that's it there.
Yeah. So and if I want to start the pump, there's a wee pump in here. There's no water in it at the moment, but that's, I should have put that up. That's the wee sink we put in. Handy little boy. Oh, it is. And again, that's just for a bit of oil rubbish. Have the bottles in here, they're left open. Just let a bit of air through them. And then that's my clean water, that's the waste. Hello Ayla, how you doing? I'm just doing a video. So, there's a double burner. Oh, Vivian is all wrapped up, look. There's no noise.
I was going to say it stops it from any noise, that's all.
Stops the noise, that's all it is. That's basically it, if I want to put that off. If I want rear lights, oh I can't know that. If I want interior lights, I'll have them in such a way you can just push them on there, or
I was going to say they're touchy ones.
If you want to put them off, you can do that. When you get into bed at night, we just put them off, but that saves all the battery, no power goes to it. Now where do you see this one? Where do you see?
What?
I have to get up in the bed.
Why?
I'll show you here. Yeah, I'll put this light on. Rear. Right. If I want the light on, right?
Oh, I just seen your charger cable.
Vivian got a wee charger cable.
Oh!
Pop my phone up in there. Put that up into it. That's
brilliant.
Class.
Oh, there's a USB port stuck under the lights.
Yeah, under each light. So Vivian charges hers over on this side.
Right.
She plugs her lead up in there.
Okay, okay.
That's the two of them.
That's
Okay,
class.
folks. So, what else? Oh, there's the seats and bits and pieces. So, I have the toilet in here. Keep you there. To be honest, you shouldn't really be needing much of a toilet because there's pubs and supermarkets and all them things. I don't bother with it, but Vivian must have it, so. And that's a 200 amp.
You'd rather have it and not need it, and need it and not have it.
Yeah, so that's all the electrical stuff is down in there. Karen, if you can see it there.
Yeah.
That's where the electric parts are, so we just keep it sort of half separate.
Yeah.
Toilet rolls and bits and pieces. Just pop them on. And then that's that. Okay, and this is our wee blind here. Vivian has sewed magnets onto the side of it there, if you can see. So we just let that flop down and it just sticks to the side. Grand wee job. On this side here, it's the same. Okay, so I have this wee table here. As you can see, well, I'll pop them on first. It's handy enough. Where is he? He's handy enough slipped on. You just pop them like that. Set it up. Push that wee way down. That's it. Handy wee table. If you want to slide her about or whatever, you can put her up or down. And then we just drop that wee thing down there at night. that blocks out as well. So that's the table anyway. I'll get her back up again. Oh, she's handy enough manoeuvred now, I have to say. Right, hey, throw it on the top of her tail there.
You're so brave when she's not in earshot.
I know, we'll go round the back. You should probably see her. Well, good dog, you Layla.
Good Bubby.
Alright, Layla. So. And that's the back of her. Look at all we have. We haven't much in the back anyway. We have our ramps up in here, wee chairs, a wee folding table as well. And then a typical Vivian will have a wee gas stove.
Just in case.
Just in case our gas runs out, we have a bottle up in there, you can't see it. And that's a wee shower for the dog. I've used it 2 or 3 times, boy, when he comes out of the bog.
I'd say that's a great
Just to
idea.
wash down his feet and bits and pieces. And I carry that there as well, just in case we run out of water. The outside top.
Oh, wee attachments, is it?
Wee attachments that'll fit anything and just fit on it.
Class.
So that's it.
What's that over there then? That's
That
for the heater?
is the diesel heater. You see the wee vent I have in there? At
Yeah.
the bottom? I pushed it on one winter there last winter to heat up. Jesus, Vivian's boots was sitting beside it. And it was on for about 45 minutes. Fucking melted a bit of her boot.
Ooh.
It is hot.
And there's wee extra cables there too.
Wee lights, wee touch lights.
Brilliant.
Yeah, so there's electrical points.
Oh,
on both.
2 sides?
on both
Oh, I
sides.
am behind that.
Yeah.
Very
So that's
good.
it. So the last thing we do before we go away is we have to put in our security system. Where is it?
He's floating around somewhere.
Oh, go on. So that's the security system we install every time we go away. And it works every time without fail.
Yes.
Come on, free. There you go. So that's the barn completed. So I'll keep Mrs. House happy for another way. At least we can get away in the bags.
As good as that means we can go everywhere.
Okay, folks, that's the van finished. It's built to the way we wanted it to be built. And if you want to see how I done it, the videos are all there from start to finish. And hopefully it'll give you a wee bit of information and help you along to build your own. All the best for now.